Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video, from this video we are going to start LeetCode SQL 50 series. So as you all know, in my YouTube channel you will see a lot of series related to SQL. So now I'm want to solve some problems in SQL. So for that purpose, I have selected this LeetCode website. As you're all aware of that, LeetCode will provide you so many numerous number of questions to solve for ease for free. So you just able to sign up with your Gmail account if you have any, and then you just go to anyone like Explorer or problems or context. You can go. You can just solve the interview type of questions. You can see lead code 75 and top interview 50. So everything will be there. So as of now, I am concentrating on SQL 50. So yeah, welcome back to my new brand Lead Code SQL 50 series, where I will be solving the most important SQL problems step by step using MySQL. Okay, so if you are preparing for coding interviews or aiming for any data related jobs or just looking to improve your SQL skills, this series is just for you. So you can explore everything here. So in each and every video I will be covering the problem statement clearly and then break down in the database schema and then explaining the logic behind the query. So I'm providing you the answers for these questions they have given in SQL 50. By solving these SQL 50s, you will be able to crack any kind of questions to be asked in the SQL interview questions. I'm sure about it. So I will be writing and explaining you the queries in SQL and the concept. Not only related to SQL, the concept can apply to other databases like PostgreSQL and SQL Server and etc. So make sure you have subscribed my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're never gonna miss any video of ours in this series. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the URL you can just go to. So leadcode.com and then study plan top SQL 50, where in the problems you'll be having this SQL 50. So let's get started. Let's start with the first problem itself. The first problem is the problem number is, you can see here, as I'm starting new with this mail account, it will asking me to select which type of layout you want. So it will give you tutorial. You can skip it as of now. So yeah, this is the first problem. Problem number is 1757. So recyclable and low fat products. So this is the problem name. So let's enter into the schema. So they have given like products table is there. So products table will be having columns called product ID and low facts and recyclable. They are just giving info about the column names firstly. So the column type will be there for the any column. Product ID is integer and low fact is an enum and recyclable is an enum. So product ID is an int which is a primary key. They are telling this is a column with unique values for this table. For this table, this product ID will be having a unique columns. Okay, so then low facts is the column which is an enum type. Enum is nothing but a category which is like a constant, you can see. So these number of values will be only fitted into that like that. Okay, so which is of type enum, like yes or no kind of thing. Like y and n is the characters will be having here in low facts, where y means so this product is low fact and n means no, it is not a no, low fact product. Okay, and then recyclable enum is also a category which is of type yes or no, where y means is a recyclable, n is not a recyclable item or product it is. So what they are asking is, they are asking like write a solution to find out the IDs of the products that are both low fact and recyclable. So low fat, it should be a low fat and also recyclable. So yes, I want the products which are having both SS. I want to get the IDs of those products. That is the problem statement they are asking. And next, what they are asking, return the result table in any order. They are not specific about the order. They can return in any order. And the result format should be in the following example. The result format should be like this: product ID and their ID numbers. They have provided you the example to understand the things better. Okay, these are product tables. Maybe having the data schema they have given previously. This is the schema column name and type they have given, and this is the table, actual table. These are the columns, product ID and low facts and recyclable. Product IDs is an integer which are starting from 0 to 4. 0 1 2 3 4, and then the product 0 item is having a low fact and is not recyclable. So product 1 is a low fact and is also recyclable. So these kind of products only I want to fetch and have to give the product ID. Okay, so output will be 1, and the third product also having SS and low fact and recyclable. So the result output will be of product 1, and product 3 is the products which are having both low facts and recyclable, that is YY values in the enum types. Okay, explanation what they have given, only the products 1 and 3 are both the low facts and recyclable. Now the task is we have to write a MySQL query for the statement they have provided. So for that what we have to do is first let's get started solving this. So firstly we have to select what they're asking, that only we have to select. They are asking about the product IDs in this, in the problem statement. If you see, they're asking about IDs only. Okay, so yeah, select start product ID from what, yeah, from, for organizing purpose I'm writing it in a step by step. Okay, so from what products table we want to fetch that from. So yeah, products. So up to here is clear, right? We are selecting product ID from products table. Okay, so what the condition, what are the product IDs they want? So let it be caps only. So what are the things they want? They want like which are having product caps. So sorry, low facts. Low facts means that should be a Y. Yes, low facts. And also what they want, and they are recyclable also. The products which are recyclable, that means recyclable is also is equal to Y. Yes. So these two should be there is the condition they have given. So see the problem statement. Find the product IDs. Yes, we are finding the product IDs. So that are which are where, in what, where low fat boots and recyclable. Yes, low fats is equal to Y and recyclable is equal to Y. So this is the statement we have, right? After completing your coding, you can just submit by clicking the bell icon here. Sorry, by clicking the submit button here. So yeah, it is speeding up the process. It's just checking the solution. And yeah, yes, start. You can see the runtime is this in will be, it says, right? Yeah, we have submitted this 22 test cases has passed it. So yeah, more challenging questions are the question numbers. You can see in lead code you will be having question number for every question. Unique numbering is there, so you can just go to that solution and just try it yourself. Okay, so this is the first solution we are solving. In the coming series we'll be start solving all the questions in the SQL 50. Just stay tuned to our channel and just follow our tutorials. You, I'm sure at the end of the 50 videos you will be knowing SQL topics full-fledgedly. I will explain you the sequence, schema, and the query and everything. So in a detail way I'm going to explain everything in detail. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you this is clear for you. It's a very basic question in MySQL. We are just like selecting the things, like just displaying the things which are just with a simple condition itself, where clause we use it. So I hope you understood this problem statement and everything, the query also. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until the next video, bye bye. See you. Subscribe to my channel and share my videos to your friends who are at learning stage of MySQL. So this will help them to understand the questions and what should be asked in a particular query like that. So solving basic questions to advanced, it will definitely help anyone who are at learning stage of SQL things or revising also. This will help them. So that's all for now. Bye bye.